Right, very good. So let me introduce myself. I am Reshma, your new English teacher. Do you know me? No. So today onwards we are together to learn our new things. Are you ready? Yes, if you are ready, just say I am ready. Okay, so say I am ready teacher. I am ready miss. Okay, alright, you all are getting ready to learn new things. Before entering to our learning, I'll ask one very important thing. What is that? Yes, due to this pandemic days, what is our pandemic condition? Yes, the COVID-19, which was affected all of us, isn't it? So you are the lovely kids and little kids. So don't go to outside from your home. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Don't remember this. Okay, don't forget this. Okay, so now we are entering to our lesson. So I think you all know what is our subject? Yes, English. Okay, so I think you all are like to study English because you all are the English medium students, isn't it? Did you like to study English? Yes, I know you all are like to study English. So we all are learning together to watch. Yes, English. English is very simple subject for the learning. Okay, so let's start our textbook. Did you have the textbook with you? Okay, so in the first unit, what's the title of our unit? Yes, here you can see the title. What is that? Nature's Plenty. Isn't it? The unit of our chapter is the Nature's Plenty. Okay, so what can you see here? Yes, here you can see there will be a couch. Look deep into nature and then you will understand everything better. It is a quote of Albert Einstein. Before entering to this couch, I will ask one question. What is the question is? What did you see in your surroundings? What did you see in your surroundings? Yes, I know. Trees, animals, birds, isn't it? Yeah, river, ponds, buildings, isn't it? There's all kind of things which you can see in your surroundings. Is it right? Yes, very good. I will ask one more question to you. Do you like to spend your time with the outside your house or inside your house? I think you all are very much like to spend your time with your lovely friends in the outside your field. It's maybe in the paddy field or in any kind of places. The all kids are together to play. Is it a very lovely thing? You know? Okay, so in the all those kind of things, the plants, animals, birds, flowers and river, all those kind of things, what we call, yes, the one important thing is that nature. Okay, did you like to spend your time with the nature? You're right, very good. What's the specialty of nature? Is it beautiful? Yes, nature is very much beautiful other than anything from this world, isn't it? So we all are allowed to spend our time with the nature. Okay, so in the recent day, the June 5th, did you plant any tree? Yes, okay, very good. I think you all are planting the trees. It's a very good thing for all of us. Okay, so nature is the major and one important thing for this chapter and this unit. In this unit, you want to study a story, the first story that is based on nature. So nature is the primary theme of our chapter. Okay, so let me know what is the quote of Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein, he said that look deep into nature and then you will understand everything better. Okay, if you look into the nature, then you can understand all things around that happen in your nature. The quote is here. Okay. So in the next page you can see a news clip. Okay, so there you can see a news clipping. Then you should read that news clipping. Here I am showing that the page, the news clipping. Okay, I will read that news clipping. Jargon, living close to nature is living life in full. Suryamani's story will definitely be an eye-opener to those who deliberately walk away from nature. Suryamani is a tribal nature activist who loves the forest and considers it as her own. She loved the forest and knew that she could do something to save it. In college, she became a part of the Save of the Forest movement. She went on nature walks with the children on weekends, explaining that our survival is linked with the survival of the forest. Okay, so this is our news clipping. What did you see in this news clipping? Yes, in this news clipping, we are discussing about what? Yes, the living things. It's mainly focusing on Suryamani. She is a very much love towards nature itself. Okay, she's very much love towards nature and she doing some things towards the nature that we discussed in this news clipping. And you can do one thing. Discuss this with your friend and answer the following question. Okay, what is this news item about? And here you can see 3 questions. So you should want to answer these 3 questions. Okay, so in the first question, what is the news item about? What is it's about nature? And try to answer the 2 questions. Okay. And then one more thing there. Imagine you are going on nature walk with your teacher. How would that experience be? List them below in appropriate columns. You may seek the help of your teacher. Okay, it's very important thing. Imagine you are going with your teacher for looking the nature, for observing the nature. Okay, did you like to go like that? Yes, we all are like to go through our nature. So here you just imagine you are going with your teacher into the nature. Then there you can see 3 columns. Okay, 3 column is there. The first column is I could see. Okay, so what all the things can you see when you are walking through the nature? We can see big trees, buildings, then ponds, river, birds, animals, that all we can see in our nature. The next column is I could hear. When you walk through the nature, what are the sounds which you can hear? Okay, what are the sounds which you can hear? What are the sounds? Yes, the chirping sound of birds, the rustling sound of creatures, the flowing sound of stream. That all sounds can you hear in that nature. I could sense. The third column is I could sense, which means I could smell. Isn't it? When you are going through the nature, you can feel the breeze. Breeze means it's a kind of wind. Okay, so tender wind. So when you are walking through the nature, you can smell the smell of soil and feel the breeze and feel the murmurings of other creatures. Okay, that all things we can feel when you are walking through the nature. So you should do one thing. You want to complete this table. Here it's very simple table. So you should want to complete this table. Okay, it's very simple activity. Finally, now write in a paragraph what you would see, hear, sense in a forest. Your teacher will help you. Okay, so in the above there we can see 3 columns. You want to fill that columns, isn't it? In that column, you wrote some points. With using that particular points, you have to write a paragraph. Okay, use it the above points. Using the above points, you want to write a paragraph about what did you see, what did you feel and hear. Okay, it's a very simple activity. So this is enough for today's section. Today we are discussed about nature. Okay, the primary theme of our thing is nature. Nature is a major thing. In the next class, we want to move through our first story itself. The theme of that story also nature. That's why today we are discussed about nature itself. And we are also talking about the quote of Albert Einstein. And in the next page we are discussing, imagine you are going through a nature with your teacher. In that particular time, what are the things you see and hear and smell? You should complete that table. Okay, so I hope you to enjoy and I hope you to understand this section. Is it true? Yes, very good. So, very good all of you. You should complete your activity. Okay, so I hope you do understand what I am saying. If you have any doubts regarding this section, you should definitely ask me. Okay, so this is for today's section. Thank you all of you. Thank you so much.